Hello, everyone out there. What's up? This is me, Prabhav Shukla. Today I'm here to give my opinion about the thing that happened a few weeks ago, the latent thing. My hand. That happened a few weeks ago. So, some people say that this latent thing is wrong. It should not be conducted in our country. And there is another type of people who are saying, I know it must be a sound, or there is another group, right, which is saying that this should not be happening. What should not be happening is the controversy, the government's or the police or the court's action that has been taken against Samarina Allahabadia and other people. Means there is this group. I uh, denote two groups as A and B, right? The A group is saying, wait, I'll take red as A, not the red flag, but yes, the red. So I'll take this A group. This group says that the latent thing is wrong. Then there is this group, B group, which is saying that latent thing is okay, it is fine, right? This one is saying that uh, if these kind of show will continue to happen in our country, they will take action like it was done in Kunal Kamra's show and other things. That it is spoiling our culture. It is spoiling our students, our children, our nature. Nature to government spoil कर रही है. Sorry. So this group is saying about this. अब इसको लिटा. This is the group B, which is saying that latent thing is fine. They are just cracking the jokes. They are just expressing their opinions, right? There is nothing wrong about it. Don't make it a propaganda. The government is trying to come with a law that will prohibit free speech. No one can do that in India. Remember, for these, leave that topic. That's political science and कभी फिर बात करेंगे उस पर बहुत डिटेल में. ठीक है, बट अभी के लिए क्या है? अभी के लिए दो ग्रुप मैंने आपको बता दिए, ए और बी. ठीक है, ए ग्रुप बोल रहा है कि लेटेंट बिल्कुल गंदा है, इसको इंडिया में होनी नहीं चाहिए, ऐसी स्पीच दो ही मत. हम डिसाइड करेंगे तुमको क्या बोलना है, और सिर्फ वही बोलना है जो एक पर्टिकुलर कम्युनिटी या उसको प्रेस करे, उसको या उसके लोगों को क्रिटिसाइज ना करे. ये मैंने जानबूझ के घुमा फिरा के बोला है क्योंकि आपको समझ ना आए, वरना मैं कुछ, क्योंकि वीडियो में एडिट नहीं करना चाहता और मैं कुछ ऐसा बोल दूंगा कि फिर हा 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 होगा कंट्रोवर्सी, क्योंकि नहीं होती है मेरे साथ. तो ये दो ग्रुप थे. इसमें ए अलग चीज़ है, बी बोल रहा है होने दो जो हो रहा है, कोई रोक टोक नहीं है, होनी चाहिए. बट देयर कम्स सी. I was about to say C like me, but that is वो वाला C नहीं, ये C group नहीं. We will take it Z group, Gen Z. So now comes the Z group. It says that भाई एक बंदा बोल रहा है कुछ, ठीक है, बोलने दो, until it is affecting our children, our culture. So, why I said that India doesn't need latent. This is the wrong thing. Those people are saying that India doesn't deserve latent. No, India don't need latent because India is a cultural country. You're absolutely right. India is a democracy. Everyone can do everything. Right. Samay Raina is doing very good job. Okay, fine. But my opinion, according to my opinion, cracking jokes by roasting someone. I'm not taking that particular incident, but I'm taking latent and other shows which are famous by roasting someone, by roasting someone in front of you without taking permission, right? I'm not in favor of that comedy. That is mentally harassing the person in front of you, in front of 100 people or 200 people or millions of people over the YouTube, right? So, I'm not in favor of that comedy, but at the same time, if it is happening, then we are no one to enter anywhere and todu fodu everything, right? We are no one, we are absolutely no one. If someone is speaking, you are not liking it, just don't watch it like me. I haven't watched any episode of Latent except the shots that came out, and because of those shots, I didn't watch the episodes because I don't love that roast comedy. I okay, fine, good. Kunal Kamra is good, but उनके साथ जो हुआ वो भी गलत है. डायरेक्टली बोलना कि बोलना क्या डायरेक्टली घुस गए थे अभी तमिलनाडु कैसे आने का. तो तमिलनाडु तो तमिलनाडु की बात है. तमिलनाडु और कर्नाटका में तो अब वहाँ लिंग्विस्टिक बेसिस पे वो हो रहा है, क्या बोलते हैं इसको. डोंट वरी, आई विल समराइज इट. क्या बोलते हैं इसको, डिस्क्रिमिनेशन, राइट. Like I read in some meme or something, proof नहीं है मेरे पास, but मैंने just पढ़ा था that someone called in Bangalore for police because someone broke into the house and the police said we don't know English. First you have to speak in Kannada, then we can proceed ahead our proceedings. So to summarize, I was saying that there are two things, right? First is your rights. Okay, there are two things. First are your rights. Second are your duties. Now, um, your right is you can speak anything. You can make episodes on latent. You can criticize someone until his feeling is not hurt. Right? But it doesn't send a good message out there. But you can still do it because India is a democrat. India is a democratic country. है ना? But then comes your duty. The thing you are doing, is it helping uh, the upcoming generation? in any way or spoiling them. I am saying this word because I have seen my ados pados and also on the social media that there is definitely a 2000% negative impact of latent kids. These 12-year-old kid uh, near my home, he's roasting some unknown person and thinks it is cool. I tried to stop him. He respects me. He told me that भैया इसमें गलत क्या है. अब मेरे को स्कूल में भी सब ये करते हैं वो, और ये मेरे को समय रहना बनने का है जो भी है, लाइक दिस. Then I was like, okay, it is your choice, it is your parents' choice, but it is wrong according to my opinion. India don't need latent. We are a cultural country, and it is our duty to respect our culture. Okay, uh, parents have now a new definition in Western countries, but still, we are a country who worships a idol, stone idol, like मूर्तियों की पूजा करते हैं. आप कोई भी मूर्ति उठा के मंदिर में रख दो, पूजा करेंगे. बिकॉज आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट इज रॉन्ग, गलत नहीं है. यहाँ पे इमोशंस है. these emotions shows that how connected we are to a religion. जितना एक बाप या माँ अपने बच्चे से कनेक्ट होती है, उतना कनेक्ट हम अपने भगवान से हैं, हम अपने रिलीजन से हैं. जितना प्यार एक बच्चे से करते हैं, उतना हम हनुमान जी या कोई और भगवान से करते हैं. यस, वी आर आई एम नॉट. Most of the people in India are extremists, and I would not say it is wrong until someone is hurt. एक्सट्रीमिस्ट हो, आप अपने घर में पूजा पाठ करो, जो करना है आप करो, लीगल चीज़ें. बट दिस इज इन इंडिया, वी सेलिब्रेट फेस्टिवल्स फॉर द होल ईयर. Every month there is 2 or 3 festivals happening for any religion, right? अभी गुड फ्राइडे है 20th को, अभी नवरात्र गई है, अभी रमज़ान में. We are full of culture. We can't make joke on religion or anything that is to our heart. We have to be conscious while speaking anything, because one thing you speak, people are saying that उसने यही तो बोला, रणवीर सर ने, रणवीर अलाहाबादिया सर ने वही तो बोला, उससे क्या हो गया. बट दैट इज रॉन्ग, बिकॉज ही इज अ रोल मॉडल, ही इज इंस्पिरेशन, ही टॉक्स so much good things, right? Because of those good things, people are watching him, and then he is speaking something out of the box. And जो उस इंसान को सही मानते थे, वो अभी भी मानेंगे. बच्चे लोग अभी भी मानेंगे कि हाँ ये सही तो बोल रहा है, बिकॉज वो रीजनिंग नहीं है उनके पास, बच्चों के पास. एक बार उन्होंने जिसको आइडल बना लिया, एक बार माँ बाप को आइडल बना लेते, फिर हर चीज बात उनकी सही लगती है ना बचपन में. ऐसे ही उन्होंने एक बार आइडल बना लिया. Guys, you are influencer. You have to be conscious of the things. Right? And again, I'll say, India don't need latent. We have a lot of things. We have a lot of comedy. We have everything. You have to do comedy. Learn from southern movies. South. आप आवेशम देख लो. ड्रामा प्लस कॉमेडी, सब कुछ है भाई. सिर्फ गाली देने से, मतलब जो भी बोलते हैं, लिटरली समटाइम वो रील में मैं देखता हूँ, लिटरली they're just abusing and people are laughing. I don't know why. It feels like watching some sitcoms like Friends or something जिसमें बैकग्राउंड बस आहा हर डायलॉग के बाद एक हंसी वाली आवाज डाल दी है, लाइक वो भाभी जी घर पर है and I'm just saying that first of all, we don't need latent. Second, if someone is doing it, let him do. Just don't watch it. If you don't like it, if you like it, then just be responsible. Don't adapt that thing and spread it. If you have to spread something, spread love. Don't become small thing. Like मेरे स्टेट में है तो तेरे को ये भाषा बोलना पड़ेगा. Don't become like that. Open your mind. You're something else. We Indians are something else. We can do many things that none of the person in the world can do. We just have to be open minded, bro. And that's it. Then it is absolutely it. I would just like to say in the end, nothing. Chill. Just yes. We don't need later. But if it is happening, then we are no one to criticize that bluntly to anyone. Freedom of speech is there. एंड एट द सेम टाइम जो फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच का राइट मानते हैं, उनके पास उनको याद रखना चाहिए उनकी कुछ ड्यूटीज़ भी हैं. ऑब्वियसली वो ड्यूटीज़ मैंडेटरी नहीं है, कंपल्सरी नहीं है, बट यू हैव टू फॉलो ड्यूटी ना. इफ यू विल डू गुड टू समवन, then obviously the other person will also do good to you. That's it. Lots of love to India, to my friends, to the world, to the universe. Spread my love to the universe, solar system, Milky Way galaxy. वो कौन सी गैलेक्सी है इंडिया के पास? और फॉरवर्ड जो भी सारी गैलेक्सी. एंड्रोमेडा राइट? No, something like that. Okay, bye bye guys. Take care. Love you all. Jai Hind.